The 2014 Nissan Juke. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.